Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial video of TokenTool. Let me introduce you today how to use the TokenTool platform, creating a Raydium AMM V4 liquidity pool. First we come to the Create Liquidity page, then connect to the main network, and here I'll show you with a testnet. Then connect the wallet. We choose Phantom Wallet. After successful connection, you can see the wallet address. Then we chose AMM V4, and here we go. First select the base token, enter the token address to search. Then select quote token. We chose Sol. Then we fill in number of base tokens to create liquidity, and the number of quoted tokens. After filling it out, the initial price will be displayed below. Finally, we click Create Liquidity. Wait a moment. The wallet will pop up to make a transaction. Confirm after clicking. There will be pop-ups. Show the created pool address. You can click to copy. After closing, you can also copy the pool address here. Okay, the whole process is like this. If in doubt, you can view our tutorial documentation, or come to our community to ask questions. Okay, that's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye.